Hello friends, please subscribe and click bell icon. Thank you. Hi, welcome to Murli Maths class. So today we learn what is the meaning of chord of a circle. What is the meaning of a chord of a circle? Okay. Now let us take one circle. Let us take one circle with center. Okay. So this is the one circle with center. Now what is the meaning of chord of a circle means? So first I will write the definition here. We can understand it very easily by seeing this definition. Okay. Yes. So definition. What is the meaning of how to give the definition of chord of a circle? We will see now. So chord of a circle means the line segment joining any 2 points on the circumference of a circle. That's it. So this is the very simple definition for chord of a circle. The line segment joining any 2 points on the circumference of circle. So this is the circumference of circle. Outer boundary is there now. This is circumference of circle. On this you join any 2 points. Let us take one point here. Okay. Let us take a point here. Let us take one point here. So these 2 points if I join, so this is called as chord of a circle. Otherwise if I take one point here, one point here, so these 2 points if I join, I will get a chord of a circle. That's it. So any two points we need to join. That is nothing but chord of a circle. Now if the chord is passing through center of a circle like this, so one chord is passing through center of a circle like this, so this chord we are going to call it as diameter of circle. So any chord which is passing through center of circle, that is diameter of circle. See here. Diameter means what? A chord passing through center of a circle is called diameter of a circle. That's it. So this is the chord definition. In chord we are getting this also, diameter also we are getting, and we can say one point here. Note, the biggest chord is, or we can say the longest chord is, diameter of circle.